Sometimes a locking latch plate might not lock if it is not aligned with the seat belt. You may need to flip the latch plate in order for it to lock. Make sure that you consult your vehicle owner's manual to verify if it is allowed.
If the latch plate is in the belt path of the car seat or interferes with the lock-off or use of the locking clip, twisting the buckle stock webbing may be helpful. This will make the buckle stock webbing shorter and help to lower the buckle away from the belt path. Be sure to check the vehicle owner's manual to see if buckle stock twisting is allowed. Some vehicle manufacturers do not allow twisting the buckle stock. If the vehicle owner's manual does not prohibit it, you may do so.
When we have a seatbelt system with a locking latch plate, normally the locking latch plate would secure the car seat into the vehicle. However, there are occasions where the locking latch plate lies against the car seat at an angle such that the locking latch plate will not work properly and lock the car seat in. In that case, one of the acceptable alternative methods is to use a locking clip, but only after a couple other methods have been tried. That kind of confused me when I first became a technician. So just to be clear, two situations when you might use a locking clip. One is with a lap and shoulder belt with a ELR retractor and with a sliding latch plate. The second situation is when you have a locking latch plate that will not lock properly.